Episode 97, Microsoft embraces Google's AI agent standard.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
What happens when two tech giants who've spent decades battling for dominance suddenly decide to speak the same AI language? That's not just collaboration, it's a signal that the AI game is changing and fast. Hello and welcome back to the AI6 podcast, where I teach you AI in just 6 minutes a day, taking away overwhelm while keeping you up to date with this lightning speed revolution. Microsoft has adopted Google's agent-to-agent protocol. And when I read this, I was so intrigued. Two of the biggest tech rivals are now playing on the same team, it seems, when it comes to AI agents. So what does it mean? Why does it matter? And what comes next? Well, first, what exactly is agent-to-agent or A2A? It's a new open standard developed by Google that allows different AI agents to communicate with each other, no matter where they live, on different platforms, inside different tools, or even in different companies' ecosystems. Think of it like giving AI agents a universal language so they can collaborate, plan, share goals, take action as if they were on one team, even if they come from totally different places. Now, this is a game changer. If you think about the different digital platforms where we're navigating and we're hanging out, like Google Search or Meta's Facebook or TikTok, they're not interoperable. But AI is changing everything. And it's not just about sharing data. It's about delegating tasks, passing goals, and building complex workflows across systems. In short, it's how we move from single-purpose AI tools to true agentic intelligence. And you've heard me speak before on this podcast about agentic AI. So to go a bit deeper, here's a clip from a YouTube explainer called One Protocol to Rule Them All. It breaks down exactly why this matters from a developer and from an industry perspective.
So the A2A protocol lets agents, which are these semi-autonomous AI systems, exchange goals, manage tasks, and invoke each other's actions. So think of it this way. One agent books your meeting, the other AI agent writes your email, and there's a third one that checks the inventory. So it's all happening between different apps, cloud environments, and even companies without any custom glue code of sorts. So Microsoft's bringing the A2A protocol to the Azure AI Foundry, then the Copilot Studio, and they're not just using it, right? They're joining the GitHub working group to help evolve the protocol so it goes beyond a flex. So it's almost like a future-proofing move.
So with Microsoft's announcement on the 7th of May 2025, the company is bringing support for the protocol into its Azure AI Studio and Copilot Studio. So this means that developers can build multi-agent workflows using this shared protocol, even agents created in Google's ecosystem. This is a rare moment of alignment between tech giants, with Microsoft saying, "We'll speak your language because it's better for everyone if we do." More than 50 other companies, meanwhile, including Salesforce, SAP, and IBM, have also joined the A2A working group. But Microsoft backing it, that makes it mainstream. So the move means there will be fewer silos. Agents from different vendors can now collaborate. It gives more power to developers. You can now create smarter multi-agent systems without worrying about vendor lock-in. And a more connected AI future. Open standards help AI evolve together rather than in walled gardens. So what's next? Well, if you're in AI, if you're in development or marketing like me, we all need to start thinking about multi-agent AI for our businesses, but also for our clients. We've got to start exploring how different AI tools could work together and not just independently or in silos. Really think about your AI assistant completing a whole host of tasks across multiple platforms and independently. So I think we've got to watch this space for deeper integration of A2A into the tools we use daily. If you're an AI builder, you got to check out GitHub's agent to agent repo. Microsoft's contributing code there now. And if you're a strategic marketer, start thinking about what agent collaboration could do for your workflows, your campaigns, and customer experience. Well, if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a pro that you know. And if you want to learn more about AI marketing, why not join my public sector marketing accelerator? It gives you live training monthly. We're having an AI summer school this summer, and you get access to my accredited professional diploma in AI for marketing, all for one annual subscription. Go ahead and jump over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. This is the AI6 podcast. I'm Joanne Sweeney. I'll talk to you on the next episode.